Okay, welcome to this section. This one is titled the Goofy app, and like I mentioned previously, it doesn't really have a purpose except just as a demonstration, so you can learn a bunch of these fundamental skills here. For example, during this project, you're going to learn a few different types of animations that you can use. You're going to learn, very critically, you're going to learn the difference between all the touches functions, right? The iPhone and iPad, these are devices that are driven by touches on the screen, right? So there's 4 different functions there. Touches began, touches moved, touches ended, and touches canceled. And those 4 functions are the core of interaction between the user and the device and the app. So you're going to learn about those. You're also going to learn how to create a little spinner object, as you've seen on a lot of apps when the app is doing something or you have to wait and there's that little ticking circle that rotates around. You're going to learn about how to make one of those. You'll also learn how to drag objects around the screen. Then you're going to learn how to use different swiping actions to make things occur, such as an up swipe, down, left, or right. So when someone swipes, the app does something. And you're also going to learn how to make something happen when the user actually shakes the device itself, which can be kind of fun at times. Now, in this project, we're going to use a new template this time. We're going to use a game template here, as you can see. It's a little bit different. We're going to move on from single view to a game. However, I do have a starter project already created for you, so that saves some time with searching and dragging, and plus I created some custom stuff here. You can see there's various images here, blue square, there's a button there, a drag me, little hypnotic circle, and I have about 5 or 6 sounds in here too that are custom that I made. So they're already in the project. After this lecture, when you go to the next lecture, you'll be prompted to actually download the starter project. It's probably in a zip file. So go ahead and download that, save it wherever you want, and then open it up and get ready. And from there, you're going to start learning about all these capabilities that I just discussed. So welcome to the Goofy app. Download the starter project and let's get going.